Hey YouTube world, this is Trev here from Monthly Missions. I'm currently in Northwest Edmonton and I'm about to check into my Airbnb. I've actually got my stuff up there. I wanted to see where it was and I came back down, decided to shoot a video. But yeah, we really see this. Peak Residences. I'm on the 20th floor. That's pretty much downtown Edmonton. Now let's see if we can cross the street without getting hit. No parking. Everybody's parked here. I'm gonna put you on pause for a second. Probably jump in the elevator. Anyway, so I'm waiting on an elevator. So I've just gotten off the elevator on the 3rd floor, and these are the amenities. So there's like 3 elevators, and then there's a 4th elevator they use for just maintenance and stuff. So this way here's the amenity rooms. Oh, it's locked. How do I wonder how? I don't know. Wait a sec. Maybe my key. Yeah, they gave me a key. Thank you. You're welcome. So it's just a simple big room, air conditioning, killer views, and that there's the smoking area out there with a couple of barbecues. If you don't have a wire brush, you can't use them. I'll show you here in a minute. They're a little bit critified. You can even come down here and cook for your friends if your wife is upstairs sleeping. Nice big TV. You can hook stuff up too. Little boardroom. And then over here is the outside smoking area. I believe, yeah, that's this way. That there is just that big room I just showed you. And look at the killer view. Smoking area. The barbecues. Looks like they're all natural gas. Nothing underneath, but yeah, they could use good cleaning. This is one busy building. I've been here half an hour, 45 minutes, maybe half an hour. I've seen like 50 or 60 people. Elevators just coming and going. People from the front of the building coming and going, coming and going. even the smoking area, people coming and going. Busy place. It's good to see. I have no problems with that at all. I like to see that. It's not a dead building, that's for sure. All right, let me take you up to my Airbnb next. I think the elevator was this way. But yeah, that was the amenities area. Or that was the smoking area, and the other one was the amenities area. So back onto elevator. We're currently, that's all on the 3rd floor. We're currently on the 3rd floor, and we're gonna go up to the 20th floor. So again, I'll pause this. So nobody in this, holy shit. It's about time. So we're gonna choose 20. It's a fairly clean elevator. Oh yeah, it stops like every floor. I gotta pause this. Somebody's getting on, I'll pause it. So check this out, no floor 13. A lot of buildings are very superstitious. Just don't put a floor 13 in. I found that very interesting. Okay, floor 20. Yeah, this service elevator, that's what that is. The 4th one is a service elevator. I called it something different earlier, but we are in 2008. And I've already unlocked it. Just about dropped it there. Apologize. This is it. I really like it. I haven't even checked the cupboards. Oh, the spices, saran wrap. Excuse me. Oh, I was gonna say mixing. Well, it's kind of a mixing bowl, but it's not a mixer. Soft close doors, I noticed. Oh, wine glass is good. I like my red wine. But yeah, they're all soft close. What else is in here? Coffee stuff. Coffee, tea. Big 60-inch TV, looks fabulous. Looks really good. And then the couch here, it looks comfortable. I already have the fan on the go. There's central air in here. Feels like about 65, 70. Feels nice. Huge ceilings. Yeah, I do like that TV. I like that for 2 people, to sit down, have breakfast, and talk. Breakfast made right there, a few feet away, and you're just sitting there and not taking up any space at all. This here is the washroom. Hey, YouTube world. Trev here. So, the shower, I like to show the shower head. The shower head is very important. In a ritzy place, that's pretty important. Oh, that's good. Look at that. I like that. There's a shampoo and conditioner, body wash. I like these doors. I sure won't be using any shampoo and conditioner. I haven't in years. Anyways. So far I don't see any extra toilet paper. No extra toilet paper. Family roll. That should be absolutely fine. I should show this. Interesting bathroom work of art. This here is the washer and dryer. So far I don't see any damages to record. A little bit of scuffing on this corner here, a little discoloration. Obviously not done by me. This is basically was, and it's turned out to be bigger, but I used to record just to protect my butt. Afterwards, when I give the Airbnb back, they could say, oh, Trevor did this, and this damages to the place, we want this much money. And I would have no proof to prove that I didn't do the damages, and I'd be forced to pay. So that was all in my mind. It never happened, but that was all in my mind. So I began, ever since my first Airbnb, I think I'm at 37 now. Ever since my first Airbnb, I've been recording them to show no damage. It saved my ass once. Oh, did they ever fight me? It saved my butt once, having a recorded video. I rented a trailer. They claimed I did damages and stole a wagon afterwards, and I didn't either. I didn't steal any wagon. I took an Uber from that place in the country, that trailer that I rented. I took a small Uber, tiny Uber, back into Edmonton. There's no room for a freaking wagon. So they said I did other damages to the trailer or whatever. And nope, I had video proof I didn't do any damages. And so yeah, the Airbnb courts, I guess several people got together, and with my evidence, my strong evidence against them, they were lying about the whole thing, and I proved it, and I won. Anyways, the rest of this place. So yeah, that's how I got started recording video. Oh no, I started before that, but that one time saved my butt. And yeah, now I'm on Airbnb number 37, I believe. Oh, this bed looks comfortable. I love the soft, plushy bed. Looks like about 4 good pillows back there. And then some throw pillows. Wow, look at the view from this bedroom. That's Edmonton. That's northwest Edmonton. I believe you call this downtown. I'm not sure. It's 102 Street, I believe. But yeah, I'm going back to the living room, showing you the views from there, a few feet further away. But holy crap. But yeah, nice comfy looking bed. But this partition, I can't figure it out. Why would you put this partition in the way? Just for aesthetic looks, I guess, but I'd be slamming into that in the middle of the night. Anyways, let's go back to... And the view from here is even more amazing. Nice little writing desk. Morris is in my family. My grandfather was a Morris, and his father before him. Yeah, Morris is in my family. It's interesting. Look at that. Unbelievable. Up 200 feet. And by the way, my boots are immaculate. That's why I haven't taken them off yet. Walking around the place, I know they're immaculate underneath and top. I keep them clean. Otherwise, I would have taken off my boots before walking into this place. This place is really clean. Out of respect to do that with every place, but I make sure that my boots are clean if I'm gonna leave them on. But look at that. I have no idea what those buildings are. I have no idea who owns them. There's no names on any of them. They look probably all, I bet you they're all residential as opposed to business buildings. They look maybe residential. Yeah, Edmonton, Alberta, folks. Yeah, nice TV. I'm gonna get unpacked here shortly and go grab a bite to eat. Okay, so this is Trav from Monthly Mission signing out. Thanks for subscribing, everybody. I really appreciate all the subscribers. We've done exceptionally well. I think we're about 336,000, and it is going on the middle or the ending of July. I can't remember. I've just gone on days off from being an oil and gas camp worker. My head is still a little bit foggy. Anyways, I do know it's Sunday. I just can't remember. July something, the end of July. 2026. Take care of you guys. Thanks for everybody. Thanks for subscribing. Hit the thumbs up if you like Airbnb reviews. I'd really appreciate it. That would let me know to continue doing these Airbnb reviews. Thanks everybody. Hit the thumbs up if you like them. Take care.